Ito kasi maganda yung mga paliwanag dito. Ito yung hinamon na si Di ba, Tita May? Sa tingin mo ba ubra dito? Expert bigla sa West Philippine Sea. Illuminati.
Continental shelf by the mere fact that it is a sovereign state. When you are a sovereign geographical coordinates, otherwise as Philippine Sea, because we do not have geographical coordinates
Ulit,
that are outside the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines. So,
Baka hindi niya naintindihan talaga ng
Guys, ito panoorin nyo to kasi very educational tong ano na to. 43K lang. Dapat pinapanood to, dapat i-share to kasi maganda tong discussion na to. And dito talagang magaling din naman sa especially pagka sa foreign affairs tong si Prof. Richard.
yeah, probably he did not read the law that the bill, but the bill became a law passed by
Nakakabutas din,
the
no?
Congress. No, I think that was the 14th Congress, and there is a definition of West Philippine Sea. The West Philippine Sea refers to our maritime zones in the western side of the Philippines, and it includes the maritime features of our islands in the Calayan Island group. So wherever those islands are, whether they're within the exclusive economic zone or outside, they're part of the West Philippine Sea by definition in the law, including the maritime features of our islands in the Calayan Island group. And there are about 4 islands in the Calayan Island group that are outside the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines. So the definition is complete. The West Philippine Sea is not the same as the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines. It's larger. And that is where his mistake is, because he
Diba? Kakain ng tae to si Kaya, ang mangyayari lang, no, yun yung pangit nalalabas nga na parang may confusion ba? Ang halatang halata naman confused si si Cathy ba yan? Oo, si Cathy yan. Ibang-iba lang yung ilong pinindot. Wala na panahon si Marcos Sr. Nasa batas natin yan. KIG, wala nang dispute dyan. Umatras na ba si Marco Betts? Natakot kay Carpio? Hindi ko alam kasi the way I see it, parang hindi naman, parang meron silang pinagkakasunduan kasi sabi niya rito I hope that Justice Carpio will agree to a healthy exchange without any imposed limitations. Kasi nga syempre, yung debate dapat talaga may mga restrictions. Wag ka masyadong lalayo. Hindi mo pwedeng kumaga may boundaries din kasi talaga, 'di ba? Pagka nakikipag-debate ka, ito yung saklaw natin, ito yung topic natin. Syempre, hanggang diyan lang yung saklaw, hindi yung kunyari ang pagdedebate yung certain article sa isang topic, no? Kunyari may 1, 2, 3 yun, pag papasok ka pa dun sa pangalawa, pangatlo, hindi niyo na masyadong madidiscuss yung essence dun sa part 1, no?
he equates the West Philippine Sea to our maritime zone, our exclusive economic zone in the western side of the Philippines. So doon pa lang, mali na siya. Because there is actually a legal definition of the West Philippine Sea.
Ayan yan yung maganda dyan. Kasi malinaw magpaliwanag si Justice Carpio.
His Congress, when he was a member of the Congress, that approved it. So,
but he was absent. So, it's not an excuse for him not to check his notes. Ito yung mga absent na estudyante. Pero, ang daldal, di ba may ganun?
Si Richard, kahit gaganyan-ganyan lang yan, alam niya lahat yan.
Justice, both of us have thought.
Kasi etong si nakikipaglaban na etong si Richard dati. Even before pa. Pagdating sa West Philippine Sea.
Meron ka mga estudyante na absent, tapos nung next meeting, ang daming dakdak. Kahit di siya nag-aral, at absent siya. Parang may pagkaganon siya Kung sino pang absent, yung pa yung ang daming
Boss
opinion.
Moki.
And there's a second thing. Sabi niya, we cannot claim the West Philippine Sea because we do not have geographical coordinates. The So sabi niya, kailangan may geographical coordinates. Otherwise, it's just a baseless claim. But UNCLOS itself does not require geographical coordinates. Nakalagay sa UNCLOS,
Di malinaw yon. Tanga lang talaga si Kati Binag. Kailangan daw, even yung UNCLOS sinasabi nga automatic eh. You don't even have to claim your EEZ. Andun na kagad yun. Wala ka nang kailangan gawin. Hindi mo kailangan mag-claim, hindi mo kailangan sa'yo ka agad yun, automatic. Pag meron kang territory doon, no? Automatic sa'yo yung 200, yung EEZ nun, 200 nautical miles.
the coastal state has an inherent right to a continental shelf by the mere fact that it is a sovereign state. When you are a sovereign state and you have a coast, automatically you have a right to the continental shelf.
Land dominates the sea.
Land dominates the sea. That's the principle. So, nakalagay doon, you can exercise your rights over the continental shelf without need of any occupation, actual or notional, or any express proclamation. You don't
Hindi mo kailangang iproklama. Ang sinasabi niya lang basically, yung isla, sa'yo yun, teritoryo mo. Automatic, yung EEZ nun, no, o let's say yung continental shelf, almost ganun lang din naman yung 200 nautical miles yung sa ilalim. Sa'yo yun. Oh. Ano problema? Hindi mo kailangang iproklama, hindi mo kailangang... Ako, wala akong pakialam kung mailagay sa mapa yan o hindi. Basta atin yun. Wala akong pakialam kung hindi i-recognize ng China. Kunyari, mamatay na ako tapos hindi nire-recognize yun ng China. Mamamatay ako na ang alam ko, atin yun. It doesn't change a bit. It doesn't change a thing. Kahit wala sa mapa yun o andon, si Marcoleta ang hindi niya alam kung ano pinaglalaban niya. Sa atin, ipinaglalaban natin na atin yun. Sa kanya, ang ipinaglalaban niya, kailangan may coordinates. ang pinaglalaban niya, kailangan may mapa. Kailangan nakalagay sa mapa yon para makita ko habang nabubuhay ako in my lifetime, makita ko na nandun sa mapa yon. Okay na matutuwa na ako. Ako hindi. Okay na ako. Solve na ako agad. Atin yun.
have to proclaim it even. So when it says without need of occupation, actual, I mean physical,
Kahit walang nakatira doon.
you put up a structure there or notional. You just put it in a map coordinates, that's it. That's notional. So klaro-klaro, there is no need. You don't have to actually occupy it or even notionally occupy it. You notionally occupy, kasi pag sinabi, if it says actual, that's tangible occupation. If it's notional, it's intangible occupation. So you just put there the coordinates. Hindi kailangan. He is the only one requiring it. It's not in the law. So, and in fact,
So hindi kailangan. Iyon na kagad yun. Si Marco Beta na lang i-give up natin sa China. Oh, pumirma na kayo ha. If it came across your path, pumirma na kayo.
He's a legal luminary
China has
kasi,
no-
Justice Garfield.
China has no fixed coordinates in its 9 or 10 dash line, but it's requiring us to have coordinates before it can be recognized. Well, that's not the law. That's not the UNCLOS. If you read it carefully,
Pero, dinidispute ba nila yung 9 dash line? Kasi si pinagtatanggol ni ni Libayan, pinagtatanggol niya si Marcoleta eh. Ini-strawman daw ni ni Justice Carpio si Marcoleta. Baliw lang talaga yun eh, no? Pera pinaglalaban ni Marco Betts, ang chismis galing sa China ang campaign funds kaya hindi mailagay sa SOSI.
or even
Totoo
if you
ba?
just glance at it, that's not the law. So, yun dalawa na yun. Those are the two things. Because he has challenged me to debate. This.
Can
Sabi
I
ko,
moderate that?
Yeah, I will suggest you moderate it. uh, the
He can
so
bring
I
his
said,
moderator, siguro si Attorney Gucci, tapos ako naman on your side, Justice.
In one paragraph, inexplain na kagad ni Justice Carpio, no? Na-explain niya kagad lahat ng mga ng ikadidibang kagad ni ni Marco Betts. Tas sa tingin nyo, uubra.
Para lang fair yung dalawang moderator. Would you be okay?
we'll have two moderators. So it's
Oo,
so I said,
kaanim,
okay,
no?
I accept your challenge on this debate. The topic will be, is there legally a definition of the West Philippine Sea? And if so, are the maritime features of the Kalayaan Island Group part of the West Philippine Sea? So yun lang. Because those are the things that he keeps on denying, no?
Justice, I know na yung isang episode natin talking about legal luminaries, medyo we had to
Kasi tingnan nyo, sa akin nga okay na to eh. Sinasabi doon, sabi ni Google Maps lang eh. Hindi pwede daw eh, no? Sa akin, Google Earth pwede na. Kasi na natin. Sa akin, sa tingin ko, Google Earth pwede, solve na ako dyan eh. West Philippine Sea. Ayan yun. Nakalagay West Philippine Sea oh. Sarap. Oh. West Philippine Sea. Paano to? Ito yung Pilipinas ah. Ito yung China. Ito yung Kalayaan. Nandito. Kita nyo naman no? Tapos, yung China. Ayan. Ito pa. Yung ng China. Kasi ito Taiwan na to eh. Kung ito, 300, let's say labas yung Pag-asa sa 300, nasa 300 nautical miles. I think it was 277 nautical miles yung Pag-asa Island. Yan, Tito Island. Kay Tito yan eh. Yung kay Tita nando sa kabila. Kung susukatin, may pangsukat ba to? Nakalimutan ko na yung pansukat. Measurement. Susukatin natin ah. Oh, 280 nautical miles sa Spratly. Oh, 280 nautical miles approximate. Saan yung Pag-asa? From dun sa ng Palawan ah. So may mas malapit pang edge or beach. Pero nasa 288. Asan yung Tito Island? Anyways, asan na yun natin? Oh, okay na tayo dyan.